Alright, here's the rest of the fretting thing since I told you about it. Alright, I made this little block out of corian. This is something that Tom Marcel used to work for Tobias and worked for Greg Curbo for a while. He showed me this. I thought it was really cool. This little piece of corian, just to undercut right here, and then put a slot with a rotary tool to where the fret would fit down in it, and basically just be a little bit proud. The file of choice is a StewMac fret rounding. This side is rounded, it's safe. This side is square and safe. However, this squared edge will, the cutting teeth are only on the two flat sides. One side's rounded, one side's flat. The flat will cut into stuff though, so you gotta watch it. But basically what you want to do, where you've undercut that fret, lay it in there. You want to get some really flat strokes on it and watch where your discoloration, have the light shining on it to where you can see where you're cutting. I use a flat side toward the tang. Just try to get all that little tang out. There's a little burr on the end. This is actually going to overhang the board, but just so that maybe it'll look better to you guys there. And there's a potential that it might hang up on the board, and that would suck. So anyway, take that off. The goal is to make this really flat and not, let's see if I can find it. You don't want to undercut it. I think it's focusing on everything but the fret. Too much light. But if you get it, yeah, close enough, you can see that. Okay, so the last thing I do is I have the flat up against the flat side of the file up against the tang. I switch sides and put the rounded side there, and then I dress up the angle that I put on there and take off the tip, and then come in here, file it on both sides. And that way, where the tang nipper, if it left a burr on one side or the other, it just gives you a nice, clean, even thing. That's so out of focus, it's scary. Anyway, that's it, people. Do it on both ends, 24 frets, the whole way down. And that cleans them up really nice, because this end right here, at least a little piece of it to, probably only that much of it. The rest of it's getting cut off, but just that little bit's going to be sitting on the fingerboard with nothing but a dab of super glue under it. So you want to make sure that choker is flat and down on the board. All right, peace.